Hi, this is Andrew from SAM Software Solutions. We're an authorized reseller for Samtouch Software and SAM4S point-of-sale hardware. Samtouch Software is ideal for both hospitality and retail environments. We can set up the terminals so that they suit any hospitality or retail setting. Here's a few examples. This is a bakery. This is a cafe. Here's a hospitality setup. This is an Italian restaurant. Here's a retail outlet. And here's a takeaway. We are point of sale experts, and we can help you with the setup and configuration, the installation, and the ongoing support for your point of sale system. Our contact details are in the text for this post, and feel free to add me as a connection and send me a message. Otherwise, use the details below if you have any queries or questions, or if you'd like a product demonstration.